quite amazing it is in this morning. It's very good. I really like it. This is the Bay of Kotor. It's probably the major asset of this country, the most beautiful part of Montenegro, in my view. And this is Tivat. I'm here now in Tivat, and it is the shipyards, most famous shipyards here. This was actually Austrian territory in the history. Here Tivat was the military asset we built after the Great Eastern Crisis to somehow counter Italian influence. Over there is Porto Novi, and these are the shipyards. Basically these are the big three industrial assets or military assets of the past. Porto Montenegro, Porto Novi, the submarine bay, and here the dockyards. And Biella actually is really developing into big tourism here. You see very big buildings over there. Things are developing in this beautiful bay. Over there it goes into the Kotor Bay. I will try to show you some things, but in my podcast you have seen already quite a lot. There's a lot of material already available from this beautiful bay. One of the most beautiful bays of the world. I'm doing a bit of yoga here in the morning, and I, of course, continue to call for the EU membership of this beautiful country. It's not a bad asset to have EU. Once Montenegro is in the EU, it's of course a big responsibility as well. The water system must be cleared, wastewater collection must be done, fresh water supply, but it must be anyhow done. Nothing of the things gets done outside of the EU. It's simply not possible. So the responsibility of Europe stays, no matter. Postponing leads just to failure. This is the whole thing. This is Tivat, actually one area of Tivat I've not seen. Punto Crudo. They ask for €11 for fish soup. That's not a very inviting prices, but it's probably to select the audience. They better ask for entry fee. Anyhow, very interesting. Very interesting. Naja, this Tivat has really developed, yeah, in all aspects. I like it. The atmosphere is very nice, yeah. Just in my sports clothes here. I'll show you my shoes. A little bit of yoga. But the atmosphere is fascinating. The morning it has some very special atmosphere here in the Boca Bay. I like it a lot. Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm unfortunately the whole day busy and working. Yeah, there's a big ship coming in. Very nice. This is then the open sea. This is Lustica Peninsula. There's a sports field. The atmosphere is like this. When I went home at 12 o'clock, there is still a lot of people playing boccia. When they're all sleeping, I don't know. I need to sleep in the night. But of course, it's the nicest time of the year, of the day. Out there's of course an infrastructure challenge. They always talk about the bridge here. That would be a big mistake. I always call about the motorway being inside. That would already relieve the bay enormously, and then you do a better ferry connection. Bridges over such kind of bays are not always the very best idea. And you do an upper ring road. I don't know why they don't like my ideas of upper ring roads. I published so much already. Yeah, of course it's money. Of course. I understand that. Beautiful place. Not all my suggestions have to be implemented, I understand that one. But honestly, many of them should. Here is still some investment to be done, but when you see this is already extremely nice here, and then you see the sports field, you see a Porsche of Belgrade. Now a lot of people from Ukraine are living here. I was explained. Things are tremendously changing at the coast. Of course the impact of the Russian war is huge on Ukraine as well, like on everybody. It's a epoch-changing event. Yeah, beautiful. Now the atmosphere in all this bay is amazing. The costs are also big, but you can also find the accommodation for 50 euro, even less, for the night. This is the Tivat airport over there. This is a very big infrastructure, very important for the country. They have unfortunately not built the access road very nicely. I always call for more investment in concrete infrastructure, but the wind is coming. It's a bit windy these days, but there was at least no major rain. I saw in Belgrade it was very rainy. There was even floodings somewhere in the Balkans. Here the weather was stable, but a little bit of wind. Naja, this is the atmosphere here. Beautiful. Yeah, sharing some morning views and making some material here. The ship comes in, very big one. It's quite amazing. The first people. There are a lot of opportunities everywhere here for investment in tourism, and a lot of need as well for municipal infrastructure, for water cleaning. And here you see, maybe tomorrow morning I will go swimming. Yeah, nice, beautiful atmosphere in this beautiful town. I like it. Very good. Yeah, off to new work. Thanks a lot for watching. I will show you more of Budva now. Bye.